So that's what we're gonna do today. So the first thing is this perfume. This is my recent purchase, but I've loved this scent for years. I always talk about my friend Eileen who would always wear this when I lived in New York. And it's just a timeless scent. It's Elie Saab. It smells so good. I wish you guys could smell it through the camera. It's like the best scent. It's very chic and clean and feminine, and it's just timeless. It's a classic scent, Elie Saab. It is just so good. Check it out. I know you're gonna just love it. I also have, by the way, is it cold where you guys are? Because it is freezing here in Florida. I mean, not freezing, it's like 50, but it's been feeling so cold. I've had to put on the heat, and I've been just being cozy and with blankets and sweatshirts and slippers, candles and body wash and baths and all that stuff. And it's kind of nice because the summers here are so brutally hot that I'm just really taking the time to enjoy this extra cold season, because usually I feel like the winters in Florida just zoom by and they're so fast. I think this has been the longest winter I've experienced in Florida. I think it's like my 5th winter here. And it's just been long. It's been dragging, but I'm loving it actually. It's very cozy and it gives me an excuse to watch movies and make soup and be homey at home with Oliver, so I'm liking it. Okay, next up are these slippers. These are the Long Bay chenille slippers. They're so good. I have the gray. They have a faux, like kind of faux fur lining all the way out through all the way throughout the inside. They have a non-slip bottom. They're just so cozy and they're so warm. These are $31. So if you live somewhere that's cold or you need some house slippers, even if it's not cold, these are so good. They give your feet a great amount of support, and obviously they have the no slip bottom, like I said, so you're not going to be slipping around. I just love to wear these all day, even in the summer, because I like to crank my AC in the summer and I like to be cozy in the house, so a good slipper is always a must-have. I also have another sweatshirt besides the one I'm wearing that is so comfy. This is the Doko 2 sweatshirt that I recently got in. It's $29 and it's super oversized and soft, and it's usually $32 and it's on sale today. So if you're looking for a really nice high-end material sweatshirt, grab this while it's on deal. Also, I've linked up my favorite K-Cup coffee. It is the San Francisco Bay Kona Blend K-Cups. Why can't I talk? I don't know. I'm so tired today. So $79.99. Such good coffee. I'm telling you, this is my by far favorite K-Cup. The taste is impeccable. It's so good. I also recently found out that Bath & Body Works is on Amazon, and I'm so excited. So this is the Perfect in Pink body wash. I love this color pink, by the way. It's so good. I've linked up the set that has a set of 3, which I think is a body wash, and I don't know what else it comes with, a body spray, and I think a lotion. I also linked up the set of 2. You can also click on these products and you can just, oh my God, it's so girly. It's Perfect in Pink, so it's very girly. It smells so good. I just literally love it so much, and I just cannot get enough of it. Oh, the smell is just fantastic. Ah. Telling you, it is amazing. My favorite scent by far, and it's just amazing. It's incredible. Body wash, pro vitamin B5 and aloe as well inside here. Not tested on animals and vegan, made without sulfates or parabens. So Bath & Body Works has really upped their game with all the natural ingredients, which I love, with the aloe vera as well, and not tested on animals, which I also love. So Bath & Body Works, I salute you. You're doing great. I love your products, and they smell so good. So I also have linked up the Champagne Toast, which is one of my favorite scents as well. And I've linked up the set of 3 that's on sale for $21. It comes with the spray, the lotion, and the body wash. This is just the body wash, so you can see. This one was like a Christmas edition, I believe. It has pro vitamin B5 and aloe as well. And look how pretty this is. So it smells insane. So the Perfect in Pink is like very fruity and girly. And then the Champagne Toast is more like high-end luxury. It's a very luxurious smell, very clean and luxury. And then, yeah, this one is more like fruity and girly. So depending on what kind of scent you're going for that day. So if you use a body wash in the bath or in the shower, you will smell like that body wash throughout the day. So I used to just, I don't know why I thought this. I would just use a body wash. I'm like, I'm not gonna actually smell like it after the shower. You actually do. So people will notice if you use this body wash, you will smell really good the whole rest of your day. So try it out. Let me know how it works for you. But I just love this stuff. It's just amazing, and the smell is impeccable. So also good. Oh, I've also linked up the Bath and Body Works Champagne Toast candle. This is the 3-wick, and it's on deal today for $22. So that's really exciting, and I just love it. Oh, don't forget about this adorable set. It's the pink. If you like satin or silk, this is satin silk. That's why you can get this for an affordable price. It's $24 today. On deal for the set. It comes with the little top and then the shorts. I love that this is a short sleeve and it comes with shorts because we have spring and summer around the corner, and it's nice to have a pajama set that's shorts instead of just all the like flannel and plaid and long sleeve. So it's good to have some shorts. If you have a vacation coming up, this just, you can literally like wad up in a ball, and it hardly takes up any room in your luggage, but it's so cute. I love the stripes. I just think it's adorable, and love a good pink. So I've just been obsessing over this and how pretty it is and cute and super silky, and $24, such a good deal. I really couldn't believe that deal. Also, don't forget, this is one of my new favorite brands. They're called PinSpark. They're on Amazon. Obviously, this is all Amazon. They have the best athleisure stuff. They have the best workout stuff, and also sweatshirts. This one is so soft. I sized up to a large, so it's really oversized, but it is so soft, and it has a little line down the back, so it's kind of like a little preppy, sporty vibe going on. You can wear it with leggings or with shorts, and it has pockets as well. And it's just so good. I got the dark brown, but this comes in lots of color options. If you're looking for a really nice sweatshirt, the one that I'm wearing now, it's like very thick and warm, which spring's coming up. So this one is maybe if you live in a colder climate. This one is a perfect one for going into spring and summer because it's a lightweight and super, super soft, like a buttery soft. So it's a great one for summer and spring as well. If you need just like a light sweatshirt that's really cute and oversized to throw on over stuff. Say that you're going to the beach or you're doing something outside, but at night it gets a little chilly. This is a great one to throw on over your outfit. It's so high quality. It's $32. Okay, so changing up the vibe a little bit here. This is all about cozy, so I have a little fun idea for you guys. I've been trying to get more into crafts. I used to paint a lot, and it just helps me to feel really relaxed to do something with like crafts and art at the end of the day. So I have linked up this bag. I'll show you why it's about crafts. So it's Bag Smart, and this is, make sure it's shut. So this is so cool. So it's actually a bag like this, you can see. I actually have some paint markers, which I'm gonna get to in a minute, but it opens up and it's literally 1, 2, 3, 4 sections. Look at this. And usually people use this for toiletries. You can have a hanger, so you can hang this at the hotel on the back of a door or something if you wanna hang it up, or on the shower rod, on the, what is it called? The little holder for the towels, the towel holder, or the back of it. I usually do the back of the door in case it gets heavy, but mine's actually pretty heavy because I have a lot of paint markers in here. But this is so good for travel if you're bringing your toiletries and your makeup. Look how cool that is. You can see everything. You can just open it up and just hang it up, and you can see everything there. You could do jewelry, you could do hair ties in the bottom, you could do toiletries, makeup. It's just so great for travel. But I actually put paint markers in here. So I'm gonna link my, by the way, this thing is $16.99 today. It is so amazing. It fits so many things. So grab it while it's on deal. Anyway, these paint markers, these are the Ohuhu, I don't know how you say it, alcohol markers. So they're $14% off today for $59.99 for this large set. I've also linked the smaller set for $24.99. These are so cool. So I have all of my paint markers in this bag. That's what I use this for, to hold my crafts, but you can use this for toiletries, whatever you want to use it for. But I have so many paint markers, and I wanted to show you these. They are so nice. So it's so relaxing to try this. If you're looking for like a new relaxing thing to do at the end of the day, try some paint markers. It's not messy. So you have this side that's like this, and then you have this side that's more like it looks like this. So let me just show you. So I've linked up some sketch pads that I use too that these will not bleed through. This one that I have right here is just like white bound paper, so I would say it bleeds through a little, but I would recommend to actually get like a sketch pad that I've linked up. But you can see it just goes on. It almost feels like you're painting, like the way that it goes on the paper. It's so relaxing. So I will get out a sketch pad and just doodle at the end of the day. You can make a picture to hang up if you want to get really artsy and actually get serious with it, or you can just doodle random stuff. You can do this with your kids. So these are I just love them. So look at this. So the colors are so pretty too. So they're just like a watercolor. Okay, my cats are fighting. Girls, let's calm down. This one's pretty, it's blue-gray. But look at the way that it goes on the paper. It's literally like you're painting with watercolors. It's so relaxing. So like I said, if you're looking for a new craft, try to get paint markers. There's no mess. You can just store them like I do in a big toiletry bag, which is so nice and handy. My cats are losing their mind. But it's just so nice. I've also got these paint markers. These are acrylic paint actually. So these are the Posca. These are legit acrylic paint, you have to shake them. But these ones can bleed through, and these are more, I would say, for like actual artists, or you can use them too if you're not an artist, but these are more like intense, like paint markers. You can actually use them on a canvas. But the ones that I've linked up, they're just so easy, especially for beginners, that actually if you're like not a real artist, they come in so many pretty colors, and these are like watercolors, look at them. So it's just so relaxing to do something like this at the end of the day. So get your friends together, your family together, your kids, the whole family will just enjoy this craft, and you don't make a mess. So I love this horizon green, I think is my favorite color out of all of them. Look at that, so pretty. But anyway, yeah, so this is all about cozy and relaxing my video today. So I hope that you guys try out these paint markers and let me know how you like them. I can't wait to doodle tonight when I get into bed and I have my fireplace on. It's gonna be so relaxing. So I've also linked up 2 sketch pads, like I said. Let me know if you guys try those out and what you think. I've also linked up, this is a trending blanket on Amazon, and it's for good reason. It is so cozy and soft. Now, I have a blanket that's like a very high-end, what is it called? It's called Unhide, which you should check them out. But it's very thick, very heavy. It's very much a winter blanket. Now this one is perfect for spring and summer, so you can also use it during the winter. But this one, we have spring around the corner, so I kept that in mind for this haul. And this one's more lightweight, but it's so cute. I love this leopard print. It comes in so many colors, and it's so lightweight, so soft, and it's big enough for 2 people to cuddle. I just think that it's gorgeous. And this is a top selling blanket on Amazon because it's so good. And I've washed it a million times. It doesn't ruin. Both sides are just really nice and soft. Also, you could use this for your toddlers, for little kids. It's just such a good, high quality, cozy blanket. And I do love that it has a leopard print. I think it's so pretty. But yeah, it's easy to fold up, and you can just roll it up, and then it doesn't take up much space as well. You could throw this in a basket. But it's just so soft, and like it rolls down pretty small, see? So it's so cozy. If you're looking for a nice, really nice soft blanket to have on your couch, to have on an accent chair when you have friends and family come over, or even in the guest room, this is a great one for the upcoming seasons, for spring and summer, because you have that really cozy, luxury feel, but it's not super heavy and really hot. So great for spring and summer. Love that so much.